Last week was the big, highly anticipated drop of Coach's Spring 2025 runway pieces, including the giant kiss locks, which is what most people were anticipating, but also quite a few other things. I did a whole video going over that drop. If you're interested, I'll have it linked in the description box below. I ordered one thing from that drop and it has arrived, so I'm going to open this up and show it to you today and do all the usual things with it. So hopefully you'll know everything you want to know if you decide that you want to get one of these too. So stay tuned. And welcome, I'm Autumn Beckman and I'm here to help you live your most luxurious life within your budget. I post new videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so please make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of those, and so community posts where I share the best sales of the day and fabulous handbags that I find. Also, don't miss my website, autumnbeckman.com. The shop page, which I will have linked in the description box below as well, is where you'll find handbags and accessories I have for sale, and I have a ton of new things on there right now because I just posted a vlog sale, my previous video, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. And it's where you can find the My Handbag Collection Organizer. These are pages that I have designed to help you organize and curate your handbags and your life. For example, the item trackers where you can record everything you'd want to know about your handbags and small goods. But I also have wish lists, purchase trackers, pages specifically designed to keep track of your sales associates and their contact information. Plus I have calendar pages in a variety of formats so you can find what works best for you, project planning pages, different habit trackers, and so much more. Now, let's get into this box. It's packaged like this, ordered directly from Coach. Has the little card, and there's lots of tissue paper to cushion it, and the tiny little item is in here. This is a piece that walked the Coach Spring 25 runway, so let's get it open. I'm a little surprised that this isn't in a dust bag, but whatever. The most important thing is the piece itself, right? And it is this, which you can't see at all. Let me get it unwrapped and I will bring it closer. By the way, in the video that I did of the Spring 25 drop, I asked you guys to guess in the comments section what I picked up, and most of you got it right. So congratulations to you. I got the Coach Dinosaur coin pouch / bag charm. So let's take a look at this thing. It is so cute. I love it. They released it only in this black smooth leather. On the runway, the one that I saw was done a lizard texture. Not sure if it was real lizard or debossed, but that's what they had on the runway. Kind of wish they had released that because this is a little plain in comparison, but it's still super cute. So here is the front. You see there's stitching all around the edges. This one does have just the slightest bit of wrinkling and a little bit of wrinkle. A little wrinkle right there. But when you're dealing with sewing curves, that does tend to happen. So there's the front. And then it is just flat, as you can see. It has maybe a ½ inch of depth there. And then the back is the same, but it has this little piece that connects to the snap hook with a little bit of a chain to give it a dangle. And I noticed this piece that's connecting it does turn, you can see. So if you needed to turn it for some reason, you could. Like if it's hanging crooked from your bag, you could turn it where the weight is balanced a little better. I've also noticed when you just hold it like this and there's nothing behind it, it hangs pretty crooked. But I think that will be just fine when you have it hanging on a bag and it has something to keep it up. On the back, it's also blind stamped Coach. It's debossed there. And then you have the snap hook here with the little Coach hang tag, which says Coach on one side. And on the back of that, it says Made in Vietnam. And you have this sort of antiqued brass looking hardware. Here's your zipper pull. It's one of those that kind of snaps into place. And it says Coach debossed on it there. So let's look inside. I imagine they've, ooh, that's a little tough to do. That little part right at the base of his neck. All right, yeah, I imagine they've got it stuffed with something. They have, oh my gosh, are you serious? Okay, it's difficult to get the head part out. All right, oh my gosh, look what they did. A dinosaur-shaped piece of styrofoam. I think I have to keep that. That's adorable. All right, now that it's not stuffed, it is much squishier. So there doesn't seem to be any kind of structure in this. It's just the outer leather, and then it is lined. That's also in leather. So 2 pieces of leather there with, I'm guessing, nothing between them. Not much space at all to hold anything, but I'm gonna show you a couple of things that might fit and do some comparisons to give you a better idea of the size of this. And we'll also put it on a bag to show you how it hangs. I love it. I thought I did okay wearing a black shirt today, but I guess it's kind of impossible to see. So I love this little piece. Let's do a few comparisons just to give you an idea of the size. I guess I'll bring all this closer since it's so small and you can't see it against my shirt. Here it is next to a Louis Vuitton Agenda PM and next to a Louis Vuitton Zippy coin, next to the Louis Vuitton clay. So the body of the clay has a than the body of the dinosaur. You're not going to be able to fit cards in this dinosaur. Portland Leather Goods Daisy pouch. That is also quite a bit larger in terms of the body and what you can fit. A pack of tissues, not going to fit in there. A passport, and my Louis Vuitton bone pouch. I was thinking of hanging these together, so when we get to the hanging portion of the video, we'll see how that looks on a bag. By the way, I found this little dachshund charm and I hung it from the zipper pull on that bone pouch. So I thought that was really cute. And that zipper you can see has a place where you could attach a charm, but the zipper pull on the dinosaur pouch does not have that. However, you could attach things to the chain, I suppose. Now to the what fits portion. A pen is not going to fit in the dinosaur, at least not a regular sized pen. A Tide to Go stick also is not going to fit in here. You would be able to fit a scrunchie. I can shove that in there pretty easily. Not a lot of room left, but you could still squash that down. And I could probably fit a little chapstick on top of that. Let's see if I can still zip it up. So there it is. And yeah, I can fit a scrunchie and a chapstick. Wow. I have this little spray bottle and a little microfiber cloth for my glasses. I think that would fit. I got that a while back at World Market. That does fit. Looks like that in there. Hey, my little ceramic box cutter fits. All right. An Apple AirTag would also fit in here, but I don't have one handy to show you. But it would definitely fit. Here's something. First of all, there's a comparison between the dino coin pouch and the regular size dino bag charm, so it is quite a bit bigger than that at least. But here it is on my Coach Burrow bowling bag. And since this is a snap hook, and this doesn't have a place to put a snap hook on the handles, I have this large O-ring clip, and that's what I use to put bag charms on handles like that. With that on there, it hangs a little lower than the bag, and you can see because of that, it hangs crooked. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about this on a smaller bag. Here's some dino on dino action. And this is the bag I most had in mind when I bought this in terms of which bag I want to put this on. This, of course, is the Empire 40 in the color Merlot. So that's how it looks on there. And even on this bag, which is not stuffed right now, but it hangs forward a little bit. So it's definitely something to be aware of with this piece. You can also see that he's tilting downward a bit. So to fix that, I just need to turn that little thing on the back, and then he hangs more straight. So that's a nice feature. And there it is with the bone pouch behind him. Can't really tell what that is. Maybe if I put them like that, I think I like that better. And there's one more thing I want to show you with this. Since the black dinosaur is a little plain with that smooth leather, there's no texture, I thought maybe I could dress him up a bit. So I wrapped an Hermes doll twilly around his neck. Kind of cute. It's one way to use your doll twillies. Or you could bling him up a little bit. This is a bracelet from Louis Vuitton. Just don't put a bracelet around that could slip over his neck. Make sure it's tight enough. I like that. Now I will say that's giving some extra weight to him, and now he's sitting like this, like he's climbing sideways around the bag. That also limits the accessibility to the pouch itself, but seeing as how that pouch is so small and not super useful, it probably doesn't matter much. I mean, I didn't get it as a pouch, I got it as a bag charm, so being able to access the inside of this is not a big deal to me. Did you buy one of these too? What do you think of it so far? How are you wearing it? What's working, what's not? Have you thought about getting it? Did this video change your mind about anything? Let me know in the comment section below, please. And of course, I will have this item as well as the other shapes that were released linked in the description box below, as well as a few more new pieces from Coach. And remember to check out my website, the shop page, with all the new vlog sale stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hope to see you back here next time, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.